Fishermen have long been regarded as resilient and determined individuals who brave all types of weather conditions and confront various challenges to secure a bountiful catch. However, their encounters on the waters sometimes lead them to unexpected and unsettling discoveries. From puzzling phenomena like dead fish mysteries to encounters with strange creatures, here are some of the most disturbing moments experienced by fishermen. The mystery of dead fish. In 2020, a catastrophic incident unfolded in the Oder River, causing tension between Germany and Poland. Thousands of fish were found dead, triggering separate investigations and accusations. The loss of marine life had a profound impact on the river's ecosystem. Polish scientists blamed poor water quality due to high temperatures and low water levels, making wildlife more vulnerable to toxic substances. German investigations pointed to human activity as the cause, without a definitive answer. Greenpeace implicated Glogau, a city with a copper mine, alleging elevated salt levels weakened fish's resistance to stress and pollution. Regardless of the exact cause, it is clear that environmental factors worsened by human actions were at the root of the problem. The disaster affected hundreds of kilometers and recovery will take years. It serves as a reminder to consider the consequences of our actions on the environment, avoid consuming fish from the Oder River, and preserve nature's delicate balance. Fishermen to the rescue. The ocean, mysterious and unpredictable, often presents unexpected challenges. In Monterey Bay, a group of fishermen embarked on a routine day of salmon fishing, unaware of the heart-stopping rescue mission that awaited them. Spotting two teenage girls struggling for their lives in the frigid waters, the fishermen sprang into action. The girls had been swept out to sea by a strong current while swimming at Salinas River State Beach. Battling freezing temperatures for over 30 minutes, their exhaustion was evident. Acting swiftly, the fishermen pulled the girls onto their boat, risking their own safety. With a risk of hypothermia looming, their brave effort saved 2 lives. This incident serves as a powerful reminder of the unexpected moments that can alter lives. The open waters hold unforeseen events, and these courageous fishermen will be remembered as the heroes who defied the odds. Alligator Encounter. Florida's wildlife is an unpredictable realm that demands constant vigilance. From giant pythons to lurking alligators, there's always something to keep you on edge. Vicky experienced this firsthand during a peaceful paddleboarding session at Silver Springs State Park, a serene oasis known for its crystal-clear waters. Suddenly, she found herself face-to-face with a formidable danger, a massive alligator. This reptile had no intention of yielding the right of way. In a split second, Vicky had to defend herself, using her paddle to push the lunging alligator away from her board. The persistent creature refused to back down, swimming alongside her as if claiming the territory. Vicky's video of the encounter went viral, leaving her shaken. She suspected that someone had been feeding the alligator, making it more aggressive. However, one commenter suggested a different perspective, that the alligator was merely defending its territory against an intruder. This incident serves as a reminder to be aware of our surroundings and respect Florida's wild creatures' natural habitats. In close encounters with alligators, staying calm and prioritizing safety is crucial. Perhaps next time leaving the paddle behind would be wise. Sewer fishing. Urban fishermen have discovered an unconventional fishing technique known as sewer fishing. In cities with limited natural water resources, anglers turn to sewers, drainage canals and spillways for excitement. Although it may seem unsanitary, the fish caught in these locations are not meant for human consumption. They're either released back into the sewers or sold as live fish food for pet stores. Contrary to popular belief, sewers are not just polluted habitats. Runoff water from streets, buildings and storm drains carries nutrients into the sewer system, creating an unexpected ecosystem. Certain fish species, such as bass and catfish, adapt and thrive in these conditions. While not ideal for most aquatic creatures, these adaptable fish provide a thrilling experience for anglers seeking new challenges. Sewer fishing is gaining popularity as an alternative to natural water sources, offering the excitement of catching fish in unexpected places. However, it's crucial to remember the origin of these fish and avoid consuming them. Sewer fishing serves as a reminder that nature can adapt and thrive even in unlikely environments. Who knows, sewer fishing might become the next urban angling trend. Sharks. Unpredictable encounters. Sharks, known for their ferocity and captivating nature, were believed to be unable to leap from water. Yet scientists off South Africa shattered this notion, leading to unforeseen events. In one incident, high school boys and their fathers fished for sharks off Maine's coast. A thrilling moment occurred when they hooked a massive mako shark.
Get that? Holy fuck!
As they struggled to reel it in, the predator thrashed wildly, attempting to break free. Against all expectations, the mako propelled itself out of the water, landing on their boat. No injuries occurred, but the breathtaking moment left an indelible mark. Similarly, near Whitianga, New Zealand, fishermen filmed a thrilling encounter with a charging shark that leapt onto their vessel. These events remind us of nature's unpredictable wonders and the incredible marvels beneath the surface. Sharks, nature's fearsome predators. Sharks, known for their intimidating presence and swift movements, instill fear in those who encounter them in the wild. Dylan and Caitlin embarked on a fishing trip off the coast of Venice, Louisiana, hoping to catch yellowfin tuna. Little did they know they were about to witness an unimaginable natural spectacle. Approaching what they initially believed to be a school of frenzied tuna, they were astonished by what unfolded before them. The water boiled, with hundreds of sharks engaging in an epic feeding frenzy. It resembled a scene from a piranha attack, with the sharks swiftly devouring their prey. The target of their assault was a small bait fish called menhaden, moving slowly and tightly packed together. Helpless and defenseless, these fish were easy pickings for the hungry predators. Watching the video of this intense encounter left me breathless, realizing the potential catastrophe if someone accidentally dipped their hand into the water. Albino catfish, a rare encounter. Encountering a genetic anomaly in the animal kingdom is rare, but a 15-year-old boy in Tennessee had an extraordinary experience during a fishing trip. As he reeled in his catch, he couldn't believe his eyes. The catfish he caught was not ordinary. It was white as snow with delicate pinkish spots. Photos of the fish quickly spread on social media, catching the attention of Tennessee biologists. They determined it had a rare genetic condition, possibly albinism or leucism. Albinos are incredibly rare in the animal kingdom, lacking pigmentation and facing challenges in survival. These unique creatures hold a special place in mythology, symbolizing purity and change. White animals in Native American legends are believed to possess superpowers and represent prophecies. They remind us of the diverse and wondrous world of animals, leaving us curious about what other magical creatures await discovery. Fishermen versus bears. When fishing in Alaska, beware of one crucial factor: bears. Forget the cold. These majestic creatures may make you reconsider your plans. Watch these captivating videos that reveal the reality of fishing in bear country. Bears are opportunistic feeders and will attack if they smell food. Cleaning fish near your campsite is a major mistake that can attract them. Bears often approach fishermen, and a wrong move can turn a tense situation tragic. To stay safe, store food properly and avoid cleaning fish near your campsite. If you encounter a bear, stay calm, make noise, and avoid sudden movements. Don't run or climb trees. Respect their dominance and give them space. Most of the time, they will leave you alone. If you're fishing in Alaska's bear country, be cautious. Follow safety guidelines and remember, we are visitors in their realm. Happy fishing with caution. Punching sharks. In October 2022, 3 fishermen faced a harrowing ordeal on the Gulf of Mexico. Their fishing boat was destroyed, leaving them stranded and uncertain of rescue. The Coast Guard launched an extensive search, battling against time and the vastness of the ocean. As hope waned, a miraculous turn of events occurred. The fishermen were found, but their discovery came amidst a terrifying encounter with sharks. 2 of them fought back using their bare hands, sustaining injuries, while the third battled hypothermia after a day in the water. Let's acknowledge the truth. These men fought for their lives against formidable predators. While stories of surviving shark encounters exist, we must respect the immense challenge it presents. The odds are against us, and it's crucial to understand the risks involved. Nevertheless, these fishermen defied the odds, leaving us with a mix of relief and awe. Life is a battle, and they have confronted theirs with unwavering courage. Ancient fire fishing. Prepare for an extraordinary fishing adventure. Fire fishing. Yes, you heard that right. This ancient technique takes us to Taiwan, where fishermen have perfected the art of catching sardines using fire. The secret lies in the fish's attraction to light, making a fire on a bamboo stick the perfect lure. During the sardine season from May to July, dedicated fishermen brave the sea, aiming for a successful catch every night. The rewards can reach staggering amounts, surpassing $4,000. To preserve this cultural heritage, the Taiwanese government offers subsidies, and an annual festival celebrates fire fishing. Tourism agencies now promote it as a captivating spectacle, with boats corralling fish closer to shore for easy capture. Join the celebration of this unique madness that is fire fishing. Noodling. Imagine plunging your hand into a dark, murky hole waiting for a massive fish to bite. It may sound bizarre, but the thrill-seekers of the world have embraced this exhilarating sport called noodling. The origins of this unconventional fishing technique remain a mystery, but one thing is certain: it'll get your heart racing. Picture a real-life version of that intense scene from Flash Gordon where the hero faces a challenge of bravery by sticking his hand in a hole. Except in noodling, you're contending with a formidable predator of the water, the catfish. To successfully noodle, you locate a catfish hole, insert your hand as bait, and when the catfish takes hold, you employ your ninja skills to pull it out. This daring endeavor is not for the faint of heart, as catfish possess immense strength and can pose significant danger. However, noodling is growing in popularity, with contests held to crown the champion of catching the largest fish. If you crave adventure and are ready to face formidable predators, why not give noodling a try? Just remember, it's a wild and crazy way to fish, but the rewards are extraordinary. Washed up humpback whale.
Federal authorities will examine a 35-foot humpback whale to determine how it ended up dead on a Nassau County beach.
Fishermen off Long Island, New York discovered a distressing sight: an enormous 35-foot humpback whale stranded on the shore. Despite efforts, the whale, weighing a staggering 32 tons, did not survive. This incident is one of 10 reported beachings of whales along the New York and New Jersey coastlines this year, indicating a troubling trend. Last year, 19 whales washed up on the entire U.S. Atlantic coast. The causes of these beachings remain uncertain, with theories ranging from injuries or pregnancy complications to navigational difficulties. Authorities had to use their strength to prevent the whale from being swept back into the sea by pulling it onto the beach. A thorough necropsy will be conducted to determine the precise cause of death. Recalling a peculiar incident from the 1970s, authorities attempted to dispose of a whale carcass with dynamite, resulting in a blubber rain that damaged cars. Thankfully, this time a crane was employed. We must urgently investigate and address the rising occurrence of whale beachings to safeguard these magnificent creatures. Whales deserve a brighter future free from such perilous circumstances. Tuna fishing in Maldives. In the mesmerizing Maldives, where sun-drenched beaches and untouched beauty converge, a time-honored tradition awaits: pole and line fishing. This is no ordinary angling experience. Here, using nothing more than a baited hook, fishermen reel in nearly 100,000 tons of tuna annually. Imagine it as a captivating game of Where's Waldo, played out on the open sea, as skilled fishermen deploy just the right bait to entice the tuna. With barbless hooks, they engage in a meticulously orchestrated dance with these magnificent creatures. And the best part? The method is sustainable, ensuring the preservation of fish stocks and the environment, while allowing us to relish mouth-watering tuna dishes. Sometimes unexpected encounters with sharks and an array of fish species add an exhilarating twist to their endeavors. So when you find yourself in the Maldives, don't just be a beachcomber, embrace the opportunity to partake in pole and line fishing, where you may just capture the catch of a lifetime and etch your name among the fishing greats. Green blob fishing. Prepare for an innovative fishing experience with green blob fishing. Using powerful underwater LED lights, this technique creates a mesmerizing green glow that attracts a wide range of fish species, from freshwater favorites like trout and bass to impressive predators like catfish, tarpon, and even sharks. The green blob acts as an irresistible bait magnet. Imagine fishing under a starry sky as smaller fish gather around the luminous green blob, followed by thrilling encounters with fierce predators. But the benefits go beyond the spectacle. With a durable design, these lights withstand any environment, making them perfect for both freshwater and marine fishing. The green blob boasts an impressive lifespan of 50,000 hours and a 30-foot power cord, allowing versatility in various fishing settings. Fishermen have discovered that using the green blob repeatedly in a specific spot attracts bait fish consistently, luring in predators over time. It's an efficient and effective fishing method that some might consider cheating due to its success rate. So if you're seeking an unforgettable and thrilling fishing experience, embrace the power of the green blob and get ready to reel in the excitement. Before moving to number 1 on this list, take a look at this picture. A woman stood alone, her legs immersed in the chilling embrace of the water. Near the shore, an enigmatic sea creature resembling a distorted stingray, but magnified to monstrous proportions, lurked in the depths. Its towering presence loomed over her, evoking a sense of primal fear. With an array of sinister spikes protruding from its immense frame, it crept closer, poised to strike. What do you think this monster is? Let us know in the comments below. Octopus Surprise. In the depths of our oceans, incredible creatures await, occasionally revealing themselves in unexpected encounters. Recently, Brooke and her friends experienced a remarkable moment while fishing in the Albany Inlet. As they retrieved a prawn trap, an enormous octopus clung to it, refusing to let go, leaving them in awe and trepidation. The sight of this colossal creature firmly gripping the trap was simultaneously captivating and terrifying. Even smaller octopuses can be unsettling, but the sheer strength displayed by this behemoth was truly astonishing. It's believed to be a northern giant Pacific octopus, one of the largest and longest living species. Despite their outward simplicity, these creatures possess remarkable intelligence, as scientific studies have revealed. While some may harbor an unexplained fear of certain animals, including octopuses, it is undeniable that their size and power demand respect. Would you feel intimidated encountering such a massive and formidable octopus? Share your thoughts in the comments section and let us know which aspect of this video surprised you the most. Remember to like, share and subscribe for more intriguing content. Until next time.